Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to turn off Snapchat My AI. You cannot completely turn off Snapchat My AI unless you are a premium Snapchat user. However, you can hide Snapchat My AI from your feed. For that, simply open up Snapchat and then long press on My AI. Here tap on chat and notifications and then tap on clear chat from feed and then hit clear. This will clear the My AI from your feed. The other thing that you can try and do is head over to your search bar and type in My AI. My AI will appear. Simply type in My AI. Here tap on My AI. Here send a message to My AI. Press on My AI. Tap on chat and notification settings. And here you can also hide chats. And then tap on notification settings to mute the chat. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.